Nested styles, exciting stuff, folks. So, page 75, chapter 4, exercise 4.4, nested styles. So, you're going to want to open from your chapter 4 exercise files, exercise 4 underscore 4 end.indd. Again, some of you will be choosing the IDML if you are somewhere where you're not in Creative Cloud, when you're in a lower version. Okay, so check this out. Looks like there's one page, just a little bit of copy, a couple different colors, a couple different formats. Open the paragraph and character styles panels. Paragraph and character. And those are together. You can always pull them right onto the page. Keep them handy. Double click the style definitions to see how they were constructed. So you could double click semi-bold, see that they were added under general. Italic. Those are character styles. Total book. Okay, when you've finished investigating, keep the file open for reference and then open exercise 4 underscore 4 underscore start. Save it as exercise 4 underscore 4. Take away that start. And then I always like to add my name. Save that on the desktop. Okay, the first step in creating a nested paragraph style is to set up each of its component character styles. In this example, you'll be setting up a total of 3 character styles: semi-bold, italic, and bold, and green with caps. So, step 2 says, with the type tool, select the title of the book in the first paragraph, the 4 agreements. Okay. And including both colons, so the 4 agreements and then the colon after the word collection should be selected as well. Set the font to Myriad Pro Bold. There we go. 10 point, mine's at 10 point, and then 10 point leading as well. All caps. So you can go back over to your character style, character formatting controls in the control panel, hit all caps. There we go. And then set the color to green. There we go. With the text still selected, open the character styles panel, which is here, and click Option click or Alt click the Create New Style button at the bottom. Name the style Bold Green Caps. Check the Apply Style to Selection and Preview checkboxes. There we go. And click OK to close that dialog. There we go. Step 4, select the byline by Don Miguel Ruiz. Up to the opening parenthesis before the number of pages. So leaving that space. There we go. Set the font to Myriad Pro Semi-Bold 10. 10 point leading. And then keep it black in color. Capture the formatting in a character style named semi-bold. Okay, so again, Option click, and then name this semi-bold. Say OK. Step 5, select the number of pages including both parentheses. Set the font to Myriad Pro Italic. 10 point size, 10 point leading. Black, which it's black. And then you want to also create a character style name italic. So Option click, and then OK. Terrific. Okay, so step 6, position the type tool cursor in the word publisher. In the second line of the book listing. Okay. That will be here. Make sure that the font is set to Myriad Pro, and it is. 10 point leading. Make sure that's 10 point leading. And then do Option click the New Style button at the bottom of the Paragraph Styles panel. Remember, we're not in character anymore, we're in Paragraph Styles panel. Name the new style Total Book. To ensure that the Apply Style to Selection checkbox is selected and checked, keep the dialog open. Okay, select the Basic Character Formats category, which is on the left here, from the list. And then notice that InDesign captured the attributes you set in the previous step. The font face should be set to Myriad Pro and the font style to regular, which it is. Size and leading should be set to 10 point, and the case set to regular. Step 8, from the character color category, which is down here, select the black color swatch, which it is. Select the bullets and numbering category, one up, and set the list type on the right to none. There we go. From the indents and spacing category, up here, first set first line indent to 0. And leave left indent set to 0.25. Set space after to 0.125. And keep the dialog open. Now we're moving on to page 76. Here's where it all comes together. Now you get to assemble the character styles to define the paragraph. The structure of the paragraph requires 5 nested styles in all. So step 9. Select drop caps and nested styles from the category list, right here, and click the New Nested Style button on the right. From the Character Style dropdown that appears in the Nested Styles section on the window, right here, choose the bold green caps character style. Awesome. You get to choose whether to apply the style to up to the delimiter, so the style, or to the style delimiter as well. In this case, you want to apply the bold green cap style to the colon as well as the preceding text. So you'll leave the through option selected. Okay, so step 10, there are 2 colons that occur before you want the style to change. So select the number 1 and replace it with number 2. Right there. in the numbers field. Since the colon is the delimiter, select the word words in the last field of the first nested style and replace it by typing colon. There we go. Click the new nested style button again. And set the character style to semi-bold. There we go. Since you want the semi-bold style to apply up to the parentheses enclosed in the number of pages, choose up to from the next drop down. Which should be up to here. Okay? And then leave one selected and type an opening parenthesis as the delimiter. Okay? Step 12, add the remaining character styles and settings to match the image below, and then click OK to close the paragraph styles dialog. Okay, so new nested style, and then we're going to add in italic. Next would be up to. The next would be 1, and the last one would be forced line break. And I notice here, you don't have to type in colon, you can just add colon. And then here, the opening parentheses, I was quite literal. You can actually just do this, forced line break, and then we'll do another nested style. We can bring let's delete this. Okay, and now for here we can do a new nested style, and then this one would actually be none through 1, and then here would be colon, and then the last one italic, up to. The next one would be 1, and then this would be that beginning parenthesis. And then click OK to close. Okay, and we notice that we have some changes that have happened. Okay, we're going to move on to the next video. So follow along with part 2 of 4.4, chapter 4. See you in the next video.